Hello.
Hello.
My name is Teacher Jonna. What's your name?
My name is Tony.
And how old are you, Tony?
I am
11. Okay. Now, you look at the pictures here, and you're going to tell me what is their job. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Number 1, what is his job?
Clown.
He
is clown. He is cook. He is nurse.
is
Dentist. He is the doctor. He is farmer. He is film star. He is
she is in the hospital. Doctor and
nurse. He is parents. He is pop star.
Okay, good. Now for the next part, we have the picture story. Okay, it's called Children Like Painting. Now where are they? Picture 1.
Picture 1.
Where are they?
In the children.
Where are they?
They
Where are they? In the
picture.
In the classroom?
No.
No. In the park?
No.
In the house?
Yes.
Yes. Where are they?
They are
Which room?
in the house.
Yes, which room?
Mom.
What room is this? Is this?
House.
Are they in the living room? Living room, yes or no? Living room, yes or no?
Yes.
Now, what are they doing?
They are painting.
Yes. Now, picture 2, what is mom doing?
Mom is phone.
What is she doing? She is?
She is
Talking? Yes or no?
talking
Oh,
phone.
Talking on
On the phone.
the phone. Now, is Charlie sitting on the chair? Yes or no?
No.
Picture 3, what is Charlie doing now?
Picture 3. The baby
Charlie is
Charlie
painting
on the wall.
Okay, what is mom doing now in picture 4?
Picture 4. Mama.
Mama. Mom is
Mom is
looking at
the chair.
Charlie. Okay. And is she happy?
No.
She is.
She is sad.
She's sad or angry?
Angry.
Angry.
Yes.
Okay. That's it for part 2. Now for part 3, you're going to describe people. Okay? Number 1, he's got.
He was
He's got. What they call the hair here? It's a B.
B. B.
B.
B.
Beard. 2. She's got.
She got long hair.
What color?
Yellow.
Blonde.
Blonde.
She's got blonde hair.
Yeah.
3. She's got
She got curly hair.
Okay, 4.
Short hair.
What color?
Yellow.
Fair hair. 5. He is
He is
fat.
fast.
Fat. And he is
Short.
yes. And
Long hair.
long,
Long hair.
straight
Straight.
hair.
Yes. He is tall.
Tall.
He is
thin.
thin.
And
And
he's got
he was
mustache. Okay. Now let's talk about yourself and your friends. Can you describe yourself to me? I've got long or short hair.
short hair.
Short hair. And are you tall or short? Tall or short?
Short.
Okay, you are short. Now can you describe your English teacher? She's got
She got
long or short hair?
short hair. Long hair.
Okay, and is she tall?
You see,
She's
Tall.
tall or short?
tall.
She is
Tall.
tall. Okay, that's it for our speaking test. Thank you. Goodbye.
Like